Hi, my name is Beer, and today I'll be talking about percentile rank, not about central tendency. So first of all, percentage. Since percentage play a major role in percentile rank, a percentage is a percent number that is used to compare and comprehend the standard of a certain cases. For example, 70 out of 100 people score 50 in exam. That means that the percent of people scoring 50 and above is 30%. Now, what is percentile rank? Similarly, percentile rank is a ranking that indicates the percentage of the distribution cases above a given variable. For example, a percentile rank of 60 in an exam group means that 60% of the people score above average. Another example would be if you got a percentile rank of 70 in an exam, means that you score above average. So what is percentile ranking for? Now, percentile ranking is used to rank cases to identify and comprehend the data easier. So, a percentile rank will be able to tell the rank of the variable in each cases, and also being able to tell the amount of the variable that goes above the specific rank. Now, for simply understanding is that percentile rank is grouping a subject and classifying them into a percentage. Now let's go to the question for more understanding. The question is about NBA teams. Now the teams in the NBA consist of 30 teams. Each team won a game ranging from 15 to 62 games in total. Now how many teams got 62 percentile rank? And what is the name of the team and how many games they won? Now what would happen to the team and will the percentile ranking change if the amount of team increases? So first off, is to list down the data from the table. Now in this step, we just copy and paste the data to SPSS. The next step is to sort out the data. By right-clicking the header and select Sort Ascending. Now after that, we have to rank out the cases first by going to Transform and select Rank Cases. After that, to find the percentile rank, we again go to transform and select compute variable. The formula is the rank cases, as you can see, minus 0.5 and divided by the total amount of data. In this case, it is 30. Then we multiply everything by 100. Now the percentile rank will be presented as you can see, the percentile rank of 62 consists of 3 teams. But first of all, we have to change into a decimal of 0. So we go to variable views and then we change to 0. After that, we go back into data view, and the rank is 62 consists of 3 teams, which are Chicago Bulls, Phoenix Suns, Toronto Raptors. Those 3 teams won a game of 48. Now let's see if the rank changes when we add the number of the game won. Let's add up 63, 65, 65 again, and 66, and let's compute the same thing. And the answer is yes, the rank changes according to the rank. So now let's move on to another question. Now this question is about cereal brand. There are 40 cereal brands and the amount of calories listed. Now, in this thing we have to go cereal brand and then we copy the name. Now we're going to need calories, protein, and fat of the cereal as well. And then we have to find the percentile rank of the calories. Then the question is, what brand got the most calories and what percentile rank does a cereal with the most protein got? Now we're going to do this again. So first off, we're going to find the rank cases by sort ascending the calories. And then we go rank cases and compute variable. Then we change the rank cases to rank cases of calories. And then we got percentile rank. After that we go to rank cases for protein. Now we change the name of this protein, of these calories, to protein. Now we compute variable and then we change the rank cases of calories to rank cases of protein, and then we change the name to percentile rank pro. We click OK. The last one is rank cases of fat. Now as you can see, fat here is rank cases of fat. We change from protein to fat, and then we go compute variable, and then we change the rank cases of protein to rank cases of fat, and then change the name to percentile rank of fat. Don't forget the underscore, and then we click OK. And as you can see, the brand that got the most amount of calorie is just ripe fruit and nuts. And the most protein is Cheerios, and the percentile rank is 99, since it is the most of amongst the cereal. That's in case percentile rank of protein. Now let's see the number of percentile rank in calories. So the most protein is Cheerios, and the percentile rank of it in calories is 53.5, or 54 if you round up by deleting the decimal. And that is all percentile rank, and thank you for watching.